In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ElevenLabs project effectively and efficiently. By the end of our time together, you'll have a good grasp on how to navigate and make the most out of this dynamic platform. So, let's dive right in. To begin using ElevenLabs, the first step is to open your web browser. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and your browser is up to date for the best experience. Once your browser is up and running, head over to your search engine. Type in ElevenLabs and hit enter. Among the top results, you'll see the official link to ElevenLabs' website. Click on it to proceed to their homepage. Once you're on the ElevenLabs website, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to sign up first. Just follow the simple registration prompts. It usually involves providing a valid email address and creating a secure password. For those who already have an account, input your login credentials and hit the login button. Make sure you remember your password. If you've forgotten it, there's usually an option to reset it. After logging in, navigate to the Products section. Here, you'll find various tools that ElevenLabs offers. Look for an option labeled Studio and click on it. The Studio is where the magic happens. This is where you'll get to create and edit your projects. Now, to get started on a fresh project, you need to select Start from Scratch. This will give you a blank slate to work with, allowing you the freedom to create without any preloaded elements interfering. After doing this, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to initialize your project. ElevenLabs gives you multiple options, such as uploading a document, providing a URL, or even starting with a template. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you're unsure, starting with a document is often a user-friendly choice. With your project initialized, it's time to start crafting your text. This is where you can let your creativity flow. The ElevenLabs platform is designed to support various writing styles, so feel free to experiment with different formats and structures. If at any point you need to test out a section, use the play button to hear how it sounds. Once you're satisfied with your project, it's time to render it for finalization. Click on Export to render the entire project at once. If you'd like to focus on specific sections before rendering the whole, you can utilize the Play and Regenerate options to test and tweak fragments to your satisfaction. And there you have it. You're all set to embark on your journey with the ElevenLabs project. Play around with the features, and with practice, you'll master the art of using this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.